Actually, pahabol ko lang no. Ay yung reaction niyo po ng pagkustudiya ng Kamara kay Rodil Madrigal?
Sa akin, that is something that is between actually the court, the Committee on Justice and the court that has jurisdiction over the case of Ramil Madriaga. Again, that goes into yung mga processes na kasi na to, kakibat siya nung mismong proseso na kina-question namin. But as to the safety of Mr. Madriaga, hindi kami yung may hawak ng kaso kasi na perjury laban kay Mr. Madriaga, no? Pero as to the safety, gusto naman namin mag-testify siya eh. 'Di ba? Kasi paano natin pabubulaanan yung mga sinasabi niya kung hindi natin siya papatestify, hindi ba? Doon lang yung forum. But again, at the proper forum. So, kung siya man ay magte-testify, kung mapunta man tayo sa Senate at assuming that there are no constitutional infirmities, at napunta tayo doon sa Senate for the hearing, maybe that's the proper time for us to test his credibility.